Tired of tedious document prep? MakeForms can do it for you. Let's show you how it works. We've created an employee onboarding form using MakeForms. It includes all the essential fields: name, email ID, phone number, date of birth, gender, and even a space for signatures. Now let's use this form to automatically generate polished professional documents. Now, head over to the Integrations tab and add the document generator integration. This is where the magic begins. Now upload your PDF document. This is the template where your data will automatically fill in. Now it's time to map the fields. Click Add Field, and let's start placing them on your document. Choose the name field from the dropdown, then place it exactly where you want it to appear on the document. Adjust the alignment and font size to match your document's style. Repeat the same process for the email ID and phone number field. For date of birth, choose whether to display it as a full date or individual day, month, and year fields. For now, let's keep it as a full date. Now, let's move on to the gender field. Select it and place a radio button in front of the male text. Then, add another field for female and change the option value to female. Finally, add the signature field to the designated area. When you're done, simply click Save, and you're all set. And that's it. Whenever someone submits your form, MakeForms will automatically generate a polished professional document, ready to send, download, or share. Start automating your documents with MakeForms today.